Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious and soft, easy garlic mozzarella bread. This is very simple and very easy to make. If you want to put something together for a lunch or dinner, this is a great recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started. In a large bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. If you want to substitute with the whole wheat flour, you can definitely do that as well. Now to this I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon instant yeast, 2 tablespoons sugar, half a teaspoon salt or as needed. If you're using active yeast, make sure you activate before you add them. Go ahead and combine this well together until all ingredients are well combined. To this we are going to add 1 egg that is slightly whisked. I'm using a room temperature large egg. Go ahead and add this to the flour. To this I'm adding 3 tablespoons melted butter, 125 ml warm milk. If you don't want milk, you can definitely add just water. That's fine as well. Mix well together. To bring the dough together, it's going to be sticky a little bit, so I'm using the spoon first and then I'm going to use my hand to knead for at least 10 to 12 minutes. While kneading, it's going to be sticky, so I'm going to just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour. Do not over add the flour because then the dough will become firm and then it's not gonna be good. You still want the dough to be nice and soft, so make sure you don't add too much of a flour while kneading. Now I'm gonna place it in the same bowl and let it rest for 2 to 2.5 hours depending on the temperature of the area until it doubles in size. Here I have mozzarella cheese, 125 grams of mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna slice them and then cut them into 3, and also I'm gonna cut them some cubes and set it aside. Here I have the dough doubled in size. I also have a baking tray. As you can see, I'm going to place this on a baking tray and I'm going to just bring the dough together once again, fold it together to make it to a smooth soft ball so there is no cracks anywhere and it's easy to spread it around. Now I'm going to go ahead and spread it around into a nice round 12-inch circle, and once that is done, I'm going to cover this and rest for another 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, I'm going to score this with a sharp knife. Don't go all the way down, just score it on top so that way it does not cut through all the way. Now I made it into a nice small squares. Now here I have egg wash, that is 1 egg and 1 tablespoon milk mixed together, and I'm going to just apply the egg wash on top of it, and then I'm going to set this aside while we prepare the butter. Here I have 3 tablespoons soft butter, room temperature, and to this I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons green onion or chives also would work. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of grated garlic or finely minced garlic. Go ahead and combine them well together until all the ingredients come together. Now the butter is nice and soft. Now it's easy to spread the butter on top of the bread. Now go ahead and just apply generously and also all the corners and the sides. Now I'm going to take my sliced mozzarella cheese and start placing them in the scored gap. So start placing them as many as cheese that you may require, and if the space is too small, just cut the slices into small pieces or just break them into small and then place it in between the way I just showed you here. Now I'm going to sprinkle with some black pepper, or even you can use chili flakes, and bake it at 400-degree preheated oven on a lower rack. Just bake it on the lower rack so it does not burn, especially the cheese. And after 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven temperature, once it's nice and golden brown from the sides, it's time. You can remove it and you can serve this nice and warm from the oven. It's very easy, super delicious, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment below. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.